How to use Epic Exploration Manual in Whiteout Survival. So basically what you can do with Epic Exploration Manual is you upgrade your expedition skills of your heroes from the Epic tier. So you'll have to go to your heroes section. There you'll have to find out the Epic heroes. So in case of us, let's go with the Bahiti. So once you've selected in the hero, you can see that to upgrade it requires 2 tier up, and then if you have got the upgrade level, so you can simply use those exploration or expedition manual, and it reads epic exploration skill manual, and it is used to upgrade your hero's expedition skill. So you can simply upgrade the hero's powers, different kinds of skills, and upgrade the hero basically. So you can use those exploration manual in this way basically. If, you can also, it might be available for trades in future. So if you've got that, you can use it. So hopefully this helps. Thank you.